Hi there, it's Bethany from Madeline Jean Antiques and Restoration. Today I want to quickly talk about how I get the perfect finish on my furniture pieces. I use a product called Gel Top Coat. It's a polyurethane in a satin finish by General Finishes. I apply it with a 2-inch foam brush. Once I apply that first layer over my entire piece, I let it cure for a little over 24 hours. Then I'll take a felt block and 400 grit sandpaper. I'll wrap it around the felt block and I'll lightly sand the entire piece. I'll remove any excess dust and apply my second coat of Gel Top Coat. Once again, I'm going to let it cure for a little over 24 hours. And one more time, I'm going to come in with my felt block and my sandpaper and sand it again, remove the excess dust, and then I'll apply my third and final coat of Gel Top Coat. This has been tried and true for me for many years now. I love this product and I always get the most beautiful finish on all my furniture pieces.